everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here, and I'm Crystal if you don't know me or haven't been to my channel before. Yeah, I do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, special effects makeup, if you like that kind of crazy shit. I do that as well. But today I'm doing this warm tone type of glam cut crease today, because I just felt like doing it, and I want to try out, well, I've tried out some other shadows, but I wanted to show you guys what I think of the Rising Phoenix makeup eyeshadows that they sent me. I'm only trying 2 today, because I've already tried a couple, but I want to use them in a tutorial, so I'm blabbering so much, sorry guys, but I drank 2 cups of coffee today, so I'm a little hyped up today. Just saying, I'm doing a tutorial today on this look. So, if anyone wants to see how I did this warm tone coppery type of metallic look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my foundation, concealer, and powder on my face, so I'm gonna start off with contouring, and I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade in the Light contour palette, and contour with the shade right here, the lightest contour shade in the palette. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, which is just a foundation brush, but I use it for both. And I'm just going to start contouring my cheekbones, my nose area, and a little bit of my forehead, because I have a big ass forehead if you guys have noticed, and then my jawline a bit. Yeah, I don't really say. And this is my second cup of coffee I had today, so I'm a little bit hyper, so if I blab a lot in the next couple minutes, that is the reason why. So, if you don't like me to talk a lot, I suggest you to go to someone else's channel, because I do talk a lot. To contour my nose, if I didn't mention before, I use a angled eyeliner brush, or a brow brush, I'm not really sure what this is. Oh no, eyeliner says eyeliner brush. And I outline the contour, and then I blend it out with my Real Techniques concealer brush, like so. Okay, so for my eyes, if I can open this, that'd be amazing. I'm going to take this NYX palette that I got a while ago. I'm going to take this transition shade right here and just pop that in the crease to start my look. And once you have that transition colored blended out, I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and take this orange shade on the end. Where's my brush? And take the same brush I took earlier, which is my e.l.f. eye crease brush, and just pop that in the crease and kind of pack it a lot in the outer corner, because I want this to be super orange toned look. And this isn't a super bright orange, so I'm going to build it up as much as I can because I want it to be pretty intense. And then we're going to be adding some glitter shadow in a bit. So that's fun. Hopefully I can get more videos out for you guys soon, because I miss making tutorials. Really bad. Even special effects ones I will be eventually filming more soon. Okay, so I built up the orange like a lot, but that's the way I want it, so I'm going to continue. And I put a little in the lower lash line just till I get down there. I just wanted to start a little bit because I am doing a cut crease and I kind of want to make the wing a little easier, so I did it that way. For cut crease, I'm going to use my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer to cut out my crease, and my, what the hell is it called? e.l.f. concealer brush. This is literally a lifesaver when you want to do cut crease, trust me. So I just put a little bit on my hand of my concealer. I'm going to dip my brush into that a little bit and look straight into my mirror and start covering carving out my crease. And I always go a little bit above my natural crease just so it turns out a little easier and better looking. Because my eyes are kind of slightly hooded. You probably can't even really tell that much in here, but they are kind of hooded, so I do it this way. Okay, so to set the concealer for my cut crease, I'm going to take 2 shades from, shit, what's the brand called? Rising Phoenix Makeup. 2 of the shadows that I have out of the 10. And I'm going to take this orange, more orangey toned shimmery shade first on top. And then I'm going to pack a little bit of the coppery toned shade. But these are so pretty. I did a swatch video like recently. If anybody wants to check that out, link it down below so everybody can see it. So you can see all the swatches of all the shades I got. Because they are really beautiful shadows, and you should check out their website as well so you can try out some of their products. Because they got some good eyeshadows, man, and they have highlighters as well. Which I didn't get to try yet, but I do really want to try some highlighters of theirs. I'm like a highlighter queen over here. Okay, now I'm going to take some of the shade called Master of Steel, which looks like this. It's more copper tone than orange. And this one's super metallic, which I love. And I'm just going to pack that on top of that orange just to give it a little more of a pop of shimmer. Because I want to be all glam today. This is like an all glam look. So, gotta go all out, man. I don't know. I need some coffee though. I gotta go finish the other end in a second. Where's my powder brush? I'm gonna just do this just in case there's a little fallout. They don't really have that much fallout either, which is very nice. But my hands are stained because I'll swatch them and see which I'm gonna use first. But yeah, I'm gonna go finish the other eye and I'll be back with you guys. So for my eyeliner, my liquid eyeliner, I already did my waterline by the way, I forgot to say that. Okay, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Walk the Line liquid liner. This stuff is awesome. I didn't think I was gonna like this because I don't know, it was on sale, like in the clearance section, and there was a bunch of makeup in the clearance section, and I like Hard Candy products, so I was like, I'm gonna try their eyeliner. I haven't tried their eyeliner. This is really good. It is super black. It is waterproof, straight up waterproof. Does not tell you that it's waterproof, but it does not come off with water. So I recommend this if you want a good drugstore eyeliner or just eyeliner in general. Okay, so I'm going to add some mascara to my short ass lashes. I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess Mascara, the False Lash Effect one. And yeah, do the weird mascara mouth open face, like probably not everybody does, but I still do it. Going to put some lashes on, some falsies, and I'm going to take one of the new Kiss pairs, even though they're about to fall off because I just took them off for a second. It's, I don't really know, they just said new on the package, but it's a style in boudoir, I'm going to say it like that because I don't really know how to say it. They're very pretty, and I'm going to apply them off camera because, okay, I got these beautiful lashes on. Highlighters. Yeah, highlighters today. I'm going to use my e.l.f. facial lip and my e.l.f. shimmering highlighting powder in Starlit Glow. My 2 favorite highlighters I've been using forever. I have a bunch of highlighters, but I've just been using these ones constantly. So, if you don't want to see this process again, you can skip this part of the video, but yeah. I'm going to do little dots like I always do, and just blend it out my finger like I always do when I use these facial lips, which they're amazing, and they smell really good too. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit on my nose. I already did my brow bone and my other cheek, by the way. Do little dots on my nose, and add a little more because, yeah, I like the glow. Popping as always. I'm gonna do blush next. So I'm almost done. I'm gonna take my Essence powder blush in the shade Heat Wave. It's this ombre one. I've used plenty of times on this channel. And I'm gonna take more of the pink side over here and just blend it into my contour, the top of my highlights. I've been trying this method lately, and I like it a lot, and I still look glowy, so it's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, just cause. So before I do lips, I'm going to set my face with my setting spray, and I recently tried out a new one. Forgot to tell you guys. Actually, I think I showed it in a video. I don't even remember. But it's the Hard Candy setting spray. The glow kind, and you have to shake it. It kind of sounds like an aerosol can, but it's not. And it just makes your skin nice and glowy and just, I don't know. They didn't have any other setting sprays of theirs. All I had was this one. I was like, I need some setting spray. And Hard Candy is a shit, so I had to try it out. So just spray this like 100 times on my face. And that is why I run out of setting spray so quick. First, I'm going to line my lips with my NYX lip liner in shade Natural, and this is the best lip liner to do a nude lip with. This is what I always use when I do a nude lip. So the gloss I'm using today is e.l.f.'s lip lacquer in shade Natural as well. I recently got this like last week, and I love it. And it smells really good, and it kind of tastes like sugar when it's on your lips. But it is a very pigmented gloss, and this is a perfect shade if you don't really want any lipstick on, but you want some kind of color to your lips. And I do want to try out more of these. Like, these are really good. And I want to try out their lip plumping glosses, like, really bad. But I don't have $5. This is only $2, so it was worth buying. This, I don't know if this happens to all of them, but mine, the little applicator is a little wobbly, but it hasn't broke yet, so that's a good sign. I just kind of pulled it out carefully when I took it out of the tube so it wouldn't break. Because this was like the last one at the store. And I didn't feel like going back and returning it, so that's what happens when you're lazy. But these are really good lip glosses, and I didn't think they would be, because some e.l.f. stuffs is like hit and miss, but I normally have hits with e.l.f. products, so. Okay everybody, so this is the finished look of this warm-toned type metallic-ish cut crease. Can't talk that, damn it. But this is what it looks like, and I think I did a pretty damn good job. If I say so myself, you guys probably won't like it, but I don't know. Just wanted to put up a tutorial today. I haven't put one up in quite a while, since like Valentine's Day, I think. Not even really sure. And I said I would, so yeah. And these shadows from Rising Phoenix Makeup are amazing. I kind of like the coppery toned one better because it's more metallic, but I still like this one, so it's okay. Everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be posting more videos soon, so bear with me with the weird schedule. I've just been randomly uploading videos, so. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and check out some other tutorials I got. I even got playlists if you guys would like to check those out, just in case you only like certain types of videos. I got those. And I love all you guys so much, and I'm almost to 300 subscribers. I'm like still stuck at like 270, but I'm getting there. So thank you everybody who has subscribed to my channel and supported me in my video creating. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.